Hey, what's up? Hello. So welcome back to another video. So today we're doing another Gopuff box, and I've done a few others. And like two others. One was a healthy, good for you box, and one was a chocolate lovers box. And I really hope you like this one because it's a sweet and spicy box. And I think this will probably be my last Gopuff box because of the fact of the other ones were like coffee or makeup or something else, and it was nothing that I didn't. There was nothing that I thought I would use, at least not anytime soon. So I just thought, what would be the point of buying them? So, and I know I said boxes probably about like 18 times, so ignore that. So of course it's a GoPuff box, and these are all the stuff that's in it. That just looks like a lot. Hey. No, this one was only $20. And of course it was, cheap. It's not a bad price at all. The first thing I pull out, a bag of Nerds. Now this is the bag that comes with like a whole bunch of mini little boxes of grape and strawberry. I like Nerds, but I'm not like this big of a fan. So I'm definitely just going to like give this stuff away to somebody, anybody that would take it. And another thing I pull out is red hot cheese balls. Now I do like Utz, like cheese curls and cheese balls, so I probably will eat this. I've never had the hot versions before, so that would be different for me. Actually, you know what? Let me try it. These are actually not that bad. These are pretty good. Actually, okay, so I'll keep these. Definitely want to keep this. Is it called Takis? And I think like a family member bought these one time, and they weren't bad. They just weren't my style. Actually, these are slightly different because I thought these would be like the like bigger ones, but they're rolled up. But these are just the little sticks. So I mean, again, they're not bad. They're just not something I would eat. I did, however, see a few recipes. Like people putting these stuff on like chips. I mean, putting this on chicken, or like just in like a filler of some sort. So I probably will try that. Try to make that. And you know what? That'll be my next YouTube video. Probably. I'll probably make like some chicken or something with Takis. So stay tuned for that. We have the Sour Punch Blue Raspberry Straws. I've had Sour Punch. Oh gosh, my camera. I've had Sour Punch products before. I don't really buy them a lot because it's candy, a lot of sugar. They're not my favorite type of candy, but they are still good. I mean, it tastes like raspberry. Still pretty good. Not at all bad. Now, I will compliment the sizes of these bags of everything I see, because this is something I've seen in stores for at least $3 to $4 just by this self, and this whole box was 20. So, you know, just like food for thought. Like I feel like I've already spent like at least $13 with the Takis and the cheese puffs. Yeah, so like with the Takis and the cheese puffs probably would have been like $2, and the Takis probably would have been. Takis are kind of expensive actually. Let me see. I'm gonna look up on how much they would probably be at 7-Eleven, or probably just in general. What flavor was this? I'm not going to say the word because I'm going to say it wrong. And I don't need anyone in the comments saying, like, you don't know how to pronounce a word. I do. I just choose not to today. So, from $2 to $2 to $3 at least. So what is that, like $4, $2, $3? That's $9 already. Well, in some places $5, so you know, it's still pretty good. So that's like $9 right there. Well, no, I forgot the nerds. So this bag of nerds are probably this is kind of like a Halloween bag. So this will probably be about, I don't know, $5 on Halloween at least. So that's, you know, that's pretty close. That's up there. So, yeah. So we'll comment on the fact that I got all this for a pretty cheap amount. This is soft. Oh, soft baked cookies. I love these. These are so good. I've loved like this brand since I was a kid. You know, it's a regular cookie, but it's just as good as, you know, whenever. The only thing about this cookie is that you definitely need milk. Without milk, this is not it. Tate's Bake Shop cookies. I feel like I had this before, but I can't remember if they, you know, if they're really good or not. They package this well though. It's like a hard cookie. I'm not really a hard cookie fan. I mean, maybe like a 5 out of 10. They're not bad, but if they wasn't in this box, I probably wouldn't have bought it. But you know, not bad. So, oh, and chocolate pretzels. I love chocolate pretzels. These are, especially Snyder's. Snyder's is a good brand. If these were dark chocolate, I would definitely be in love. But chocolate pretzels, you can't go wrong with them. I don't want to be eaten. Little minis. These are so good. You really can't go wrong with those. Chocolate pretzels are, you know, just that good. Bean Boozled, Fiery 5. I remember there was a Bean Boozled challenge of like one would be like one would probably be one would taste like toothpaste while the other tastes like blueberry or something like that. But this is of course the extremely hot version. So I'm trying to see if it's like a sweet and hot version. Like, could you get like a cinnamon one, or is it like the all jalapeno flavor? And it looks like they are all hot flavors. So one is sriracha, one is jalapeno, one is cayenne, one is habanero, and one is Carolina Reaper. Yeah, let's try it. Oh my goodness, this does not smell that great. This smells very spicy. Hopefully this don't burn my tongue off, because I don't have any milk with me. I should have probably bought some milk or ice cream with me. Hey, which one's... I'm gonna try the probably like the cayenne one, because I can't take spice that well, so cayenne will probably be the one for me. Please let this be cayenne. Okay. Yep. Spicy. And if this is that spicy, I'm not tasting the rest. My tongue will fall off. Where's that cookie? Woo! Not good with spice at all. I'm gonna pause this for a second. Okay. And I'm back. I had to eat a few things. That was spicy. Okay. Sour Sneaks. Oh, a Space Jam theme. These are trolleys. And I never really tasted trolleys. A little jelly bean gonna be messed up. I just know the sneakers like sneakers. They're shaped like sneakers. That's cute. This is not bad though. Not bad. They're actually pretty good. Okay, so the last item. Ooh. This is the one chip challenge. Now I know they gave me a lot for my money, because I've actually looked for this online and it was like $15. It depending on where you look. Some places it could be like $25, $30 for the one chip. And I'm just thinking to myself, even for YouTube, I'm not spending like $15 to $30 for one chip. So I had reservations from buying this and doing this on YouTube, but since I got this, I might try it. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video, and one of them will be me doing the one chip challenge. Okay then. That's definitely going. I'm definitely gonna buy a whole bunch of milk and ice cream for that one. Yeah. So thank you for watching the video. Stay safe. Please wear a mask because there's another variant of COVID. Oh, and Happy New Year. I didn't post a video on New Year's like I had planned, but Happy New Year, and I wish you all a great and prosperous and blessed year.